Here's how to optimize your PC for gaming in Windows 10. In the search bar, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and click Apply, then OK to enable Best Performance mode. Then search for Defragment and Optimize drives. Select all your drives and click Optimize. Search for Disk Cleanup. Select everything and click OK to free up storage. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable everything that is not essential to speed up boot times. Go to Display Settings and under Advanced Display Settings, set your monitor to its highest refresh rate. Search for Game Mode settings and make sure Game Mode is turned on. Go to Game Bar Settings and turn it off. In Graphics Settings under Game Mode, enable Hardware-Accelerated GPU scheduling. Note that if you notice stutters, turn this off as it does not work well on all systems. Go to Settings, Privacy, and turn off background apps. Go to System and turn off notifications. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, right-click your desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel, and set your 3D settings to let the 3D application decide for the best in-game performance. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.